He said Sifuna also has his right to speak his views. I also have my right to speak my views. And my views are that the arrangement we have with the Kinyakwata government is an arrangement which was made by the party ODM. And if you are a spokesman of ODM and you want us to come out of it, can you please officially put it to the party there so that you tell us, and we shall move out if our party leader tells us. And we cannot have a party general secretary who is saying we move out and we are there and our Ochalo, Sifuna Chalo, Yapirao, Ochalo, you are just a balloon.